100-yard freestyle finalist. In lane 1 from Amador, Buck Sisson. Lane 2 from Rio de Oro, Andrew Yorkwa. Lane 3 from Rio de Oro, Joe Chung. Lane 5 from Park Terrace, Clifton McGuire. Lane 6 from Gold River, Abe Mattis. Lane 7 from Laguna Creek, Sammy Goodnow. Lane 8 from Riverwood, Joseph Wellwood. And with a qualifying time of 57.48 seconds from Rio de Oro in lane 4, Mateo Sanchez. Now these are your finalists.
Come on, Joe, stop. Come on, Joe.